Holy heavy Elon day. A 19-year-old built a flight tracking Twitter bot. Elon Musk tried to pay him to stop. I heard about this. So, and he did stop, correct?
No.
He didn't?
He actually Elon contacted him, like saying, hey, you should stop this. This is a security issue. And he said, well, if you pay me, then we'll stop, or he'll stop. And then Elon didn't respond.
So this is now a ransom situation?
In a way, yeah.
Holy cow.
It's still going.
It's called Elon Jet, which tracks the movements of his private jet around the world. It was a late night message coming in at 12:13 a.m. The college freshman didn't lose any sleep. His reply, 7 hours later, yes, I can, but it'll cost you a Model 3.
Yeah.
Only joking unless. Oh, it's one of those bribes that's LOL.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
Only if you send me $1 million, LOL. Just kidding.
Yeah. And he's kind of trolling at some points, like, oh, 5K. Oh, can we bump it up to 50K? Just add another zero.
The account's popularity appears to have scared Musk. I don't love the idea of being shot by a nutcase. Wow, the stalker theme has really gone all the way through this show in every sense. Musk said he'd think about it, but so far he hasn't paid Sweeney a dime. Sweeney's the guy running this account, and the account is still running. Sweeney says he's okay with getting ghosted. He's benefited a lot from Elon Jet. That's the handle. And the other accounts. He said he's gained social media followers, learned how to code, and even scored a part-time job at Uber Jets as an application developer. Better yet, the self-described Elon Musk fan got to have a conversation with a man he's looked up to for years. Well, and this is a tough one because I know Elon has said there's a security threat involved with being tracked everywhere he goes, everywhere he lands, the location of his jet, and making it really easy for millions of people to be able to do that. At the same time, I'm not sure would he need to get some sort of restraining thing. Like, isn't it when you have air traffic? Is that not information that's available?
It is very available.
Exactly. So he just made it easier to consume.
Yeah, he actually criticized air traffic control that like their instruments are very primitive, and I can get any kind of flight path I want and just tweet about it.
Yeah.
Just make an AI out of it.
Yeah, because it has to be available, the location and travel of large metal objects in the sky, because they would need to clear room and runways for landing and takeoff. And there's constant communication going back and forth when it comes to air travel.
Yeah.
Between airports and airplanes.
Sure, yeah. But does it have to be public though?
Well, I mean,
like that's the issue right now. Like if you tag a jet that's supposedly private, like Elon's jet or Bezos'
honestly,
jet,
I'm just going to say right now, I don't know how public or private it is, but I would assume there would be, if it were completely private, there would be a new risk associated. Like imagine these ghost jets that no one's aware of.
Right.
Right? Because other planes need to know which other planes are taking off and landing. Like you would have these stealth jets that rich people have because their communications are completely private or something. I don't know enough about it, honestly, to say, but I assume there's a reason why this is a thing that's possible to track. Now, hopefully somebody can help us here. Maybe somebody in the chat or somebody in the comments of this video can help us understand why it is that this information remains public. But either way, Elon asked this guy specifically, likely because he's making it a popular, digestible format. And therefore, more people are likely to track his whereabouts as opposed to go through the hurdles of seeking out or going to flight tracking websites and all the rest of it. So